This is an explanation question and we have to explain the paradox in the argument. There is no conclusion in the argument and the missing link is between this particular sitcom enjoying a wide viewership and it being poorly made. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it explains why the sitcom enjoys a wide viewership even when the sitcom is so poorly made. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. This answer choice says that a large portion of the viewership of the show comes from a certain type of people. However, this answer choice does not suggest why these people watch the sitcom when the sitcom is so poorly made. So this answer choice fails in explaining the paradox. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. This answer choice says that when this particular show is aired every night, there are no other popular shows on the television. The lack of an alternative does not necessarily indicate that people would be watching the show even if the show is poorly made. So this answer choice fails in explaining the paradox. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. This answer choice says that those who follow family-oriented TV shows do not watch this sitcom. If this is so, it raises further concern over rather than explain why the sitcom enjoys a wide viewership. So this answer choice cannot be correct. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice talks about the lack of accuracy of viewership surveys. If this is so, it indicates that all shows will have inaccurate viewership records. However, this answer choice does not suggest that this particular sitcom, which enjoys a wide viewership as seen in the survey, does not actually enjoy wide viewership. Also, this answer choice does not suggest why the show is so popular despite the show being poorly made. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. People watch the show to poke fun at it. If this is so, it indicates that because the show is so poorly made, the show enjoys poor viewership because on the account of the show being poorly made, the people want to poke fun at it and hence people watch the show. So this answer choice explains the paradox in the argument. E is the correct answer choice.